Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve blue screen of death problems you might have when starting up your computer. So if you're unable to boot into Windows after 3 continuous times, Windows should automatically try and launch the troubleshooting utility, in which we are currently booting into at the moment. So it's going to start by saying it's going to be diagnosing your PC here, and you want to let this run. Now keep in mind, if your computer has not done a hard power off 3 times in a row, you're not going to be able to get to the screen. So you want to make sure you turn off your computer, do a hard power turn off either at the tower level or clicking the power button on your lap. You just want to turn off your laptop 3 times and you should get into the automatic repair utility that I'm currently have on my screen here. It should say that your PC did not start correctly. Press restart to restart your PC, which can sometimes fix the problem, which in our case obviously has not worked. Or you can also press the advanced option to try other options to repair your PC. Left click on advanced options here. On this choose an option window, select troubleshoot, should be the middle option on this list. Select advanced options. And now, while there are a variety of different tools you could run, and if the one we're going to go through specifically in this tutorial does not work for you, I implore you to use the other options that are available here because there are some really great troubleshooting utilities. Just to name a couple, you could roll back to a previous version of Windows. You could run a system restore and go back to a previous restore point. You could recover your computer using a recovery disk or a system image you've saved in the past. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to select Startup Repair, and this will begin diagnosing our PC. So this will take a little bit of time to run, so just be patient. And once this utility has moved along a little bit, so we can see that this utility is checking for disk errors. This might take over an hour, so just be patient. This tool is going to run. If anything notable comes up on the screen in the meanwhile, I will resume the recording and we will go from there. But otherwise, I will be back. Okay, so only a couple minutes later, we can see that now it's attempting repairs. So a different screen you might encounter. Hello everyone, I'm back. So we can see Startup Repair couldn't repair your PC. The reason why I'm getting that is because there's really nothing wrong with my computer in the first place. I just powered down the machine 3 times and that's why it's not detecting anything out of the ordinary. However, hopefully this tool would find something for you and then you just would restart your computer. Again, if you were still experiencing problems, I would recommend going back and running some of those troubleshooting utilities I mentioned earlier in the video. But otherwise, I hope this brief video helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.